I have made over 2,000 posts on Instagram in the last 6 years. And on an average, I have made like 90,000 plus rupees for every post I have made by selling my coaching services. This is how content creation has changed my business and why every online fitness coach should master it. Every means every. If you are someone who is running your ads, everything is working well, still you should master content creation, and that's what we'll understand today. And those who don't know me, my name is Yashvardhan Swami by VS, and I have three ventures in the fitness space. First is Trained by YVS. That's our parent company where we help people transform, and we have helped over 4,000 people make it the last time they are dieting. Apart from that, we have Fitness Business Accelerator, where we help fitness coaches like you start and scale your fitness business to up to 7 lakh rupees per month. And we have another venture which is called Fitness Business Empire, where we help fitness businesses scale to up to 2 crore rupees per annum. So, I have experience under my belt, so listen to this closely. If you are a fitness coach who's beginning, this is for you. If you are a fitness coach who's already at a level and is considering यार content creation करनी है नहीं करनी है, this is very important. And guys, my principle is those who have been following our other videos and stuff like that, you know that how much brand matters, right? Whatever we have been able to reach, whatever goal we have been able to reach, has been because we have focused on building our brand, right? So let's understand principles, content creation, why that helps, and you will be surprised hearing and understanding some of the principles because this is coming from someone who has been doing this since not exactly 8, 6 years. My math sucks. 6 to 7 years, I would say. I started creating content in 2017 January. So उस हिसाब से देख लो. Okay, so पहले before we start, let me explain कि ये जो 90,000 वाली calculation है ये कहाँ से आई है. I don't want anyone to get confused. Uh, Calculation समझ लो. Okay, so all income has come from coaching people and changing lives. I do not do brand deals. मैंने 2020 में एक बार brand deals करी थी. I worked with a company and I only made 30 lakh rupees during that time. I think it was for 6 to 8 months. I think eight to 9 months, ninth month में I stopped doing that. And that income hasn't been accounted for in this calculation while working. Uh, बैक इन द डे इन 2020 तो अब मैं ब्रांड डील्स नहीं करता कोई भी सिर्फ 30 lakhs कमाए हैं आज तक उससे एंड वो इस कैलकुलेशन में इंक्लूडेड नहीं है इफ आई स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट ऑब्वियसली more money would be made but I don't do that because I do not look at myself as an influencer. I am not a content creator. I'm a coach who creates content to get business, right? So being a content creator versus being a coach, there's a lot of difference, right? मैंने क्यों why don't I work with brands? Again, first reason is personal preference, and I wasn't getting return on time invested. I was like that, if I'm creating for some other company, if I'm creating 1 to 2 reels or 1 to 2 posts every month for another company, if I create that, I'll be able to make a lot more for myself. And, obviously, there's some power. मेरा personal principle ये है कि there's some power in not being associated with any brand. वो आपके ब्रांड को ऊपर लेके जाता है फॉर मी एज यू guys know brand building and if you are listening to this for you also it should be the case brand building should be a priority, right? So also core principle समझो बहुत importantly that content was obviously a part of the growth and generating leads but the main factor was service results and word of mouth. तो अगर आप ये सोचते हो और काफी काफी आप में से कंटेंट क्रिएटर ऑलरेडी हो गए हु आर गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ लाइक्स एंड व्यूज बट आप सोच रहे हो व्हाई एम आई नॉट एबल टू मेक मनी द रीजन इज दिस प्लस यू आर नॉट बिल्डिंग अ something called a brand, right? Creating content for likes and views is a different story. Building your brand is a different story according to me. Yes, if you can mix both कि आपका ब्रांड भी बिल्ड हो रहा है प्लस लाइक्स एंड व्यूज भी आ रहे हैं व्हाई नॉट, राइट? राइट, लाइक्स एंड व्यूज प्लस ब्रांड आ रहे दैट इज द बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो बट उसके लिए आई my main focus is building a brand. Simple reason for that is I have seen Instagram evolve, right? This algorithm keeps on changing every now and then, right? So and I don't personally feel that my main job is creating content. I mean, my main passion is changing lives, building companies, right? So that is what. ऑल्सो एक और भी चीज बड़ी प्रिंसिपली समझ लो कि कंटेंट ने हेल्प किया लीड जनरेट करने में और ओवरऑल ग्रोथ में, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक आई गॉट क्रेडिटेड विद 90,000 एवरी टाइम। ये समझो बात। ये नहीं होता कि मैं पोस्ट करता हूँ 90,000 रुपीज आ जाते हैं, नहीं, पोस्ट करने से लीड्स आती हैं जिससे आई मेक मनी, ऑब्वियसली आई कन्वर्ट देम, वी चेंज देयर लाइफ एंड वी मेक मनी वाया दैट, राइट। ऑल्सो ये कंपाउंड हुआ है, ये नहीं था कि 2017 में ये चीज हो रही थी। अब ये नंबर बाय द वे और ऊपर चला गया होगा बिकॉज राइट नाउ व्हेन आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग इट इट्स अप्रैल ऑफ 2024 एंड 2024 के नंबर्स आर मच हायर एंड मैंने इतना कंटेंट भी नहीं क्रिएट किया है दिस ईयर। आई मीन आई हैव क्रिएटेड लॉट मोर बट आई हैवंट पोस्टेड दैट मच। तो ये 90,000 वर्ड नंबर मे बी ऊपर चला गया, आई हैवंट कैलकुलेटेड। I created take this post with a pinch of salt because I created this post in I think 3 to 4 months back. I think November or December, right? But I'm creating the training right now, and yeah. So basically, as your messaging, as your brand grows over time, this number goes up. Maybe up 2020 में देखते तो this number could have been much lower, right? That's something I'm pretty sure you guys understand that. Also, take my calculation with a pinch of salt. That means I simply took my total estimated revenue from all businesses trained by YBS, Fitness Business Accelerator, Shed 60 Challenge. Shed 60 Challenge was a challenge which it was a fitness challenge which we used to run. We ran it for 4 years, बड़ा successful था. Uh, and इन तीनों की income मैंने add करी. I haven't added income from FBE, right? FBE is a very high ticket mastermind, तो इसकी ऐड करूंगा तो ये नंबर और ऊपर जा सकता है, बट यू नो आई एम नॉट एडिंग दैट बिकॉज जब ये पोस्ट बना था आई डोंट थिंक FBE उस टाइम एग्जिस्ट करता था और मे बी स्टार्टिंग वाले स्टेजेस में था। ओके, सो बेसिकली क्या किया मैंने, इनकम एस्टिमेटेड रेवेन्यू सारी प्लस कर ली है लास्ट 6 years की एंड डिवाइडेड बाय द नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट मेड ऑन बोथ पेजेस। बेसिकली मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट करता हूँ सिर्फ ट्रेड बाय वाईवीएस और FBA पे, राइट। सो दोनों के मैंने पोस्ट ऐड कर लिए जो उस टाइम जो भी किए व्हेन आई क्रिएटेड दिस फ्रेमवर्क एंड उससे मैंने डिवाइड कर लिया। और आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देता हूँ थोड़ी थोड़ी और क्लैरिटी हो। आई डोंट वांट एनीवन टू गेट मिसगाइडेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस। Profits first 3 years of my business, profits were close to 90% because most of the things were being done by me. Now the profits average around 70% adjusted. Adjusted means adjusted की मेरी definition is that I spend a lot of money on learning. For example, learning new things, mentorships and stuff like that. वो मैं इसमें expenses calculate नहीं करता. I spend a lot of time experimenting. जब experiment भी कर रहा हूँ because you know we look at ourselves as leaders because we have to coach coaches like you. So we need to spend a lot of time and money in experimenting new stuff. तो वो भी मैं इसमें include नहीं करता when it comes to expenses. Expenses मैं सिर्फ marketing expenses को करता हूँ और operations and stuff like that, right? Uh, and that is what. So also, we have been growing at a rate of 33% year on year for the most part. So basically कोई ऐसा नहीं है कोई किसी ईयर में हमने बड़ी मैजिकल ग्रोथ देखी हो। 33% ऑन एन एवरेज होता है, बट फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज ओवर टाइम जब कंपाउंड होता है ओवर 6 to 7 years, 6 to 8 years, आई मीन लेट मी डू द मैथ्स, आई थिंक इट्स 7 years। 7 years में जब ये कंपाउंड होता है 33% एवरी ईयर, देन इट बिकम्स अ बिग नंबर, राइट। Also, growth wise, maximum revenue we have seen in the last 2 years. This is like, you know, 22, 23. 24 is even bigger, but जैसे मैंने आपको mention किया 24 में का मैंने डेटा यहाँ पे अकाउंट फॉर नहीं किया। मे बी लेटर इन फ्यूचर आई क्रिएट अनदर फ्रेमवर्क लाइक दिस, तब मैं करूंगा। बट द प्रिंसिपल इज लाइक यू नो द होल प्रिंसिपल इज अपनी राम कहानी बताने के बजाय द एक्चुअल प्रिंसिपल हियर इज दैट यू नो look at the power of creating content, right? Creating content was an important part of this. And also look at the power of compounding and building a brand. So always play the only game you should play as a business owner is long term game, right? Don't think about weeks, think about months, then think about years, then even decades. अभी मेरा खुद का माइंड भी decades तक नहीं चलता, but मेरा years तक चलता है. That you know, whenever I plan for the whole year, right? अनदर प्रिंसिपल, आई एम नॉट द बेस्ट कंटेंट क्रिएटर। आपको ये वीडियो देख के समझ आ गया होगा, ना मेरी ड्राइंग परफेक्ट है, ना इस वीडियो पे कोई एडिटिंग ज्यादा होगी, बट फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज ना आपको एडिटिंग दिखेगी। ऑल दो आई हैव अ प्रोफेशनल सेटअप, प्रोफेशनल माइक है, सब कुछ है, बट मैंने ओवर टाइम रियलाइज किया कि वंस यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग दिस मच ऑफ वैल्यू, जितनी वैल्यू यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ, ये चीजें इतनी मैटर नहीं करती। ऑब्वियसली दीज थिंग्स आर हेयर, इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर, बट इन दी एंड अपने को क्या करना है, ओवर टाइम मोर वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करनी है, बिकॉज माई प्रिंसिपल हेयर इज simple. I give you so much of value for free. You would be like, dude, I want to buy from this person, and that is my principle of creating content, right? So basically, ना मैं कोई बेस्ट कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ, ना मैं किसी ट्रेंड पे जंप करता, कुछ भी ट्रेंड चल रहा है सोशल मीडिया पे, दैट्स नन ऑफ माय कंसर्न, राइट? Dancing on reels I can't do, right? But I'm an experienced content creator, right? I don't know what gets the best views, but I know what gets clients and business. For example, you consume any of my YouTube video, you will get nurtured. You will be like, okay, I want to take this person's service. See any of my post. That's something, that's a skill I have acquired in the last 7 years, right? Believe it or not, some of you would be like, nahi banna bhai tera client, but agar nahi banna, to why are you listening to me? If it is not giving value to you, why are you listening to me, right? Also, my assumption is that, obviously not everyone who watches our content becomes a client. Not everyone is a good fit, and a lot of reasons, right? So principle is, right, आपको principle समझ आ गया होगा. And again, pinch of salt. ये नहीं होता कि मैंने आज पोस्ट किया 90,000 आगे बैंक अकाउंट में, चलो जी. ऐसा नहीं है. But again, in the end, 6-7 years की सारी कैलकुलेशंस करी है, and that is what. अब मैं आपको थोड़ी कंटेंट स्टोरी भी बता देता हूँ. All of you guys would be able to, most of the coaches would be able to relate to this. 2017 में मैंने कंटेंट बनाना स्टार्ट किया, ठीक है. 2020 तक आते आते मैं हो गया बर्नआउट. दैट मीन्स आई वाज लाइक, यार बहुत हो गया. आई नो दिस कंटेंट गेट्स मी मनी, वट एवर आई क्रिएट गेट्स मी लीड्स एंड क्लाइंट्स. अगर मैं सिंगल स्टोरी बनाता हूँ उससे भी लीड्स आ जाती हैं, राइट? बट आई गॉट बोर्ड प्लस आई वॉज फीलिंग वॉट स्टक. स्टक क्यों फील कर रहा था मैं? कि यार, I've been able to automate most of the parts of my business. I have a great team. Everything is good, right? But I don't have the amount of freedom I want. I have always looked at my dad, right? He's a seasoned investor, real estate and stuff like that. तो मैंने उनका देखा कि he does whatever he wants to do. If he doesn't want to do something, he doesn't do it, right? Although he has that level of discipline and he has built that up, because obviously my dad is 54 right now. But मुझे ये चीज समझ आई कि यार, if I don't create content, बात नहीं चलती. माई रेवेन्यू गेट सॉल्टेड, रेवेन्यू ऊपर नहीं जाती, स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो उसकी वजह से ना मेरे को एक मेंटल प्रेशर सा आने लगा कि यार कंटेंट तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा. इसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होनी स्टार्ट हो गई. एंड आई आई वाज लाइक, मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएट करना कम कर दिया, राइट? आई वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग फॉर वेज टू ग्रो बिजनेस विदाउट कंटेंट, विच आई वाज एबल टू सॉर्ट इन 2023. फिर मैंने मार्केटिंग, एड्स, फनल्स, ये सारी चीजें समझी. देन आई अंडरस्टूड हाउ मार्केटिंग वर्क्स, हाउ प्रिंसिपल्स वर्क. And June and July 2023 में I was able to grow my business marginally without posting any content. Actually मेरे को जून में ये सिस्टम समझ आया. And जुलाई जुलाई 23 जुलाई 23 में क्या हो रहा था? आई वेंट आउट टू प्रपोज माई गर्लफ्रेंड, राइट? प्रपोज करने गया. इफ यू ओपन ट्रेड बाय वाईवीएस नाउ, तो मैंने पूरे महीने कोई ऐसी स्टोरी नहीं डाली जिससे मैं कहूँ कि लीड जनरेट हो, स्टफ लाइक दैट. वी वर जस्ट, एसेंशियली इन सिंपल टर्म्स करो तो रिलेशनशिप का की वो डाल दी. आई मीन आई वाज जस्ट क्रिएटिंग फॉर माई ओन सेक. दैट मीन्स ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, ट्रैवल स्टोरीज डाल दी, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ स्टोरीज डाल दी, प्रपोजल के लिए टर्की गया हूँ, वो चीजें डाल दी. आई वाज जस्ट पोस्टिंग दैट इन जुलाई, right? And when I saw the business numbers, they were all sorted by end of July. Another thing which happened around end of June is that, we fired one full department. So basically 28 June ko I was about to travel and I fired one full department because of honesty issues. कुछ honesty issues पकड़े गए थे उनके. And I went out for travel, right? फिर भी we were able to maintain this number. सो जुलाई के एंड तक ये चीज सॉर्ट होगी. जुलाई में मैंने कुछ खास कंटेंट भी नहीं क्रिएट किया. जो भी किया, मतलब आई वाज मे बी आई आस्क्ड समवन इन द टीम टू पोस्ट रीपोस्ट समथिंग व्हिच वी हैड ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड इन द पास्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट मैंने कोई नया कंटेंट नहीं करा. मतलब मैंने कहा कि यार बड़ा सस्टेनेबल सा तरीका निकाला कि अपने लिए उस टाइम के हिसाब से, व्हेन आई वाज फीलिंग बर्नड आउट, कि आई डिड नॉट क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू. आई वाज आइदर रीपोस्टेड या वो भी नहीं किया. आई मीन आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली रिमेंबर, बट यू कैन ओपन ट्रेंड बाय वाईवीएस. जुलाई 2023 के पोस्ट देख लो, प्रपोजल वाली एक फोटो होगी. एंड that specific month. But then I realized, जब वापस आया प्रपोजल ट्रिप से, I realized one thing very interesting, that इफ आई हैड नॉट क्रिएटेड कंटेंट इन द पास्ट, और मैंने पहले पास्ट में बिल्ड नहीं किया होता ब्रांड, तो ये चीज नहीं हो पाती. दैट मीन्स माई बिजनेस ग्रोइंग विदाउट मी पोस्टिंग कंटेंट. राइट. ये चीज मैंने समझ ली. एंड आफ्टर लॉन्ग इंट्रोस्पेक्शन आई रियलाइज दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ और आई शुड चूज एंड. मतलब एट दिस स्टेज आई वाज थिंकिंग कि एड्स करूं या कंटेंट करूं. राइट. देन आई रियलाइज दैट आई शुड डू and also found reasons why I got burnt out. Right. I got burnt out because I was lacking systems. मैंने system नहीं बना रखा था content creation के लिए. Then next few months I spent a few months creating a system for myself and my clients. Obviously, whatever I create for myself, I give it to my clients also. And the narrative I had in my head, right? End में. So basically, this video does not have a caption, but एक मैंने narrative mind में बना लिया था कि यार content is not good, content sucks. जिसकी वजह से issue create हो गया था. ये I'll cover at the end of this training, but principally hope you understand, right? So पहली चीज जिसकी वजह से जिसकी वजह से मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ you should create content as skills and personal growth. Now it's like seventh year in business. Now if I want to start a new business, I can take it to a certain level within few months, few weeks and months, until unless कोई किस्मत ही खराब हो. But I can do that. Why? Because I've gained the skills. If I look back, I am most proud not of this 90,000 thing, not of the G wagon, not of the fact I gifted my dad a car. वो चीजें नहीं. The biggest thing I'm proud of is that of the skills I've gained in my life. And these skills would be used forever. कल मैं book लिखूंगा, आज मैं PhD कर रहा हूँ, उसमें भी काम आ रही हैं skills, right? Content, when you're posting content, that is forcing you to use these skills or gain these skills. पहली चीज, सबसे बड़ी चीज, speaking skills. I couldn't speak without hesitating. बचपन से introvert था. First 18 years of my life, I was 44 kgs heavier. तो लोगों से बात ही नहीं करता, लड़कियों से बात नहीं करी जाती थी, right? So speaking skills are something which improved. Articulation, how I articulate my words, how I articulate this writing. Now you can look at this framework and you would be like, यार ऐसा framework तो मैं भी लिख लूँ. Start writing. Once you write, you'll understand that it's very different, and over time you build a style, and writing also teaches you how to think. You also learn persuasion via writing, and even presenting while understanding the human nature and the art of harnessing attention. That means attention is everything in this world. You might be the best coach in the world, but if you don't know how to hold attention, you're gone. Now, look at this. Imagine an introvert who was scared to go out in the public and talk to people for the most part of his life suddenly decides to get out of his comfort zone. अब ये समझो, परसों, day before yesterday, I had an event for upcoming fitness coaches. It was a live event. Literally 2 days I'm speaking. My girlfriend, my wife now she'll get offended. My wife was there and she was like, dude, wow. I was like, she was like, I was stunned at the content, and she's not that interested in fitness businesses as such, but she was there to support me. She was like, dude, your speaking skills have improved a lot. And if my wife says that, I totally start believing that, because the kind of relationship we have, she never lies. I never lie to her. She always tells me the truth that, okay. And she was the person, she, along with my family, were the people who used to tell me back in the day, जब content post करना start किया था कि यार, your speaking skills are 2 on 10. Right? So over time क्या हुआ कि because of content I acquired these skills improved. अब मैं नहीं, right now also I don't say I'm the best speaker in the world, but पहले अगर मैं 2 on 10 था तो at least अब 6 on 10 होऊंगा, right? At least 8 on 10 होऊंगा. I don't care about these numbers. I don't care about these ratings. All I care about is, am I better than before? Have I gained more skill? If the answer is yes, yes. अब एक और चीज बोलूंगा मैं आपको. सबसे पुरानी YouTube वीडियो देखो हमारी, या सबसे पुराना कोई फ्रेमवर्क देखो रिटर्न, तब की राइटिंग स्किल्स में और तब की यूट्यूब वीडियो में फर्क देखना. एंड इस चैनल पे आप देखोगे यूट्यूब वीडियो पे स्टार्टिंग वालों की प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी इज मच हायर, एचडी कैमरा यूज किया, सब कुछ किया, ये वो. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट, नथिंग, नॉट इवन अ वेब कैम राइट नाउ, राइट? So long story short, growth is outside of your comfort zone, and for most of you guys, posting content is getting out of your comfort zone. Also keep in mind, money making is a skills game more than anything else, right? Now my next goal is to get to million dollar annual, I mean million dollar annual revenue पे हम already हैं. Now my goal is to get to 1 CR per annum. How would I get there? By becoming the person. Becoming the person क्या होता है? Becoming the person who you idolize. What do you mean by that? Become your future. आपने बहुत बार लोगों के कोट सुने होंगे. रे डालियो करते हैं ऐसी बातें. रे डालियो बहुत बार कहते हैं that just embody embody your future. That means if you see yourself getting to, if अपना example देता हूँ, if I see myself getting to 1 crore rupees per month, right now I think we are this year we are averaging around 70 to 80 lakhs, including FBE की revenue also 70 to 80 lakhs हो रहा है. अब मुझे 1 CR जाना है अगर next goal पे, तो I need to become the person plus skills. I need to gain skills of person who's making this much of money with peace of mind while having good relationships, while maintaining health, wealth, relationships, right? So if I want to get to this level, अब कोई मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि यार okay this is the way, but this is the way for everybody. अभी आप you are at zero clients, you need first five clients, you need to become the person, you need to gain the skills, you need to get to your first six figures. Yes, same thing. If you want to get to your first seven figures, same thing. You need to become the person. The day you become the person, you change the game. And this just doesn't apply to me. I have seen like 300 plus online fitness coaches like you get to the next level, and I've seen a lot of coaches get stuck also because they did not, upgrade. They upgraded themselves to get from level 0 to level 1, but level 1 to level 2 नहीं किया. And the most successful coaches I see, those who are making in our mastermind, we have five coaches who are at already at over 1 crore rupees per annum, and those who would be getting to 2 crore rupees per annum easily by end of this year or end of this financial year. One common trait I see amongst all of them is that they focus on gaining their skills and becoming the person, and they themselves know that to reach any goal, they need to be deserving of it. Same goes for me. If I'm not at 1 crore rupees per month right now, the problem is in me, right? If I was at $1 million annual revenue for the first 9 months in the last year, that was on me. Now the business has grown by a bit, that is on me, right? So that's something which we need to understand. So gain skills, and skills gain करने का एक ही तरीका है getting out of your comfort zone. ये याद रखो चीज, right? Next is own knowledge. ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है. व्हेन यू टीच यू लर्न ट्वाइस, राइट? आज आपने कोई सर्टिफिकेशन कर ली, कुछ भी कर दिया, यू लर्न, और यू देयर वाज दिस एक्सपीरियंस. सो बेसिकली आप लर्न कैसे करते हो या सर्टिफिकेशन वगैरह से करते हो? आउटसाइड लर्निंग और एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? जब आप ये चीजें टीच करते हो, you automatically ingrain that in your mind forever, right? And a lot of times posting content is about teaching or sharing insight. आप इंस्टाग्राम या यूट्यूब देखोगे हमारा, you'll see I'm teaching all the time, right? So that is all. This ensures that I was able to retain what I had learned from my certifications, traveling abroad, and learning from top coaches all over the world. Those who have been following us since a while, since especially from 2017 till 2021, you guys knew that I was traveling at least three times, 2 to 3 times every year, jumping at every opportunity to learn from top coaches over the world, pursuing more certifications I could see, right? This was happening till 2022. And uske baad then I was like, okay, this knowledge front is sorted. Now I'll learn on my own. Now time to level up and learn business, right? Business, marketing, these skills, right? Human nature, psychology. Right now I'm pursuing a PhD in psychology. All of these things together, right? So सबसे पहली चीज तो है whenever you teach you learn twice. ऐसा नहीं आप learn कर ही जाओगे तो 90% चीजें भूल जाओगे. But if you teach these things on social media, what happens? You retain these forever. Also, to be honest, I love flexing knowledge because that is something which has to be earned. अब ये चीज फेक नहीं कर सकता. For example, uh, if these things could be faked, you could take my notes from here and literally create your own YouTube channel, say the same things. No, but that cannot be fake. The reason for that is आप चाहे ये टेक्स्ट कॉपी कर लोगे, you can't copy the style, you can't copy the nuances, you can't copy small things जो आपको notice करते हो which make you trust the other person, right? You can't copy someone's brand, right? So this thing cannot be faked. So I learned more and more which ensured my knowledge was on point, so I could flex it. मेरे को पसंद है भाई. right? A lot of times, for example, I got a G Wagon a couple of weeks back. I think 2, 3 weeks back. I posted it. First thing which I did was that. If I've earned it, why can't I flex it? Right? Although the message with the caption, which you will see, would be very different. It wasn't about flexing. It, wa- this car meant a lot more to me than just flexing. But that is the point. If you have earned it, flex it. You have the right. Then you can decide: do I want to do it or I don't want to do it? I openly talk about my goof ups. I think the next video which I will be creating would be on the biggest mistakes I have made in my business, right? And that is what. Also, अब मैंने नॉलेज गेन कर ली है उसको नॉलेज गेन कर लिया अब मुझे याद भी है एंड ऑब्वियसली इफ यू डोंट टेल द वर्ल्ड कि भाई आई एम अ नॉलेजेबल पर्सन हाउ डू यू स्टैंड आउट राइट and you can't go out there and tell the world. You have to show that by embodying it, by having the knowledge, by having the kind of client results, right? मुझे फ्लेक्सिंग का एक और चीज आता है मुझे रिजल्ट्स फ्लेक्स करके बड़ा मजा आता है फिटनेस बिजनेस एक्सेलरेटर की जगह आप मुझे कोई इंडिया में और इवन आउटसाइड आउटसाइड होंगे और मेरे को पता नहीं बट इवन आउटसाइड शो मी वन बिजनेस कोच फिटनेस बिजनेस कोच हु हैज केस स्टडीज लाइक दिस एट दिस वॉल्यूम and more incoming every now and then. India international, India में तो I don't even see anybody getting like 2, 3 certification, 2, 3 case studies also. But वो देखो, that's also part of flexing. मैं आपको clearly कह रहा हूँ, openly कह रहा हूँ. There might be someone, मुझे नहीं पता अब देखो. But I haven't come across any person like that yet, right? Which later on opened up for a lot more avenues for me from starting nutrition certifications to consulting millionaires for their health while charging up to 4.3 lakhs or 35 lakhs plus GST for 12 weeks of online coaching. This was the pricing when I was last coaching. This was last year, I think, March, April type. Tak. And having a waitlist for the same. We still have a waitlist for the same. I haven't taken up any online coaching clients in a while, but yeah. And I'm also working on a few future product projects which I would be talking about this year, right? अब इस पे बहुत सारे लोग सुनेंगे बोलेंगे भाई ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है इस पे एक डिटेल्ड फ्रेमवर्क है डिटेल्ड वीडियो ट्रेनिंग है नॉट एग्जैक्टली ऑन दिस बट प्राइसिंग योर सर्विसेज प्राइसिंग पे जहां मैंने इन डेप्थ ये चीज एक्सप्लेन कर रखी है दैट इवेंचुअली हाउ कैन यू चार्ज लॉट मोर अब मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा कि आप ये भी चार्ज कर सकते हो बिकॉज मोस्ट पीपल हु पेड मी दिस मनी डिड नॉट पे मी फॉर द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दे पेड मी फॉर द स्किल्स दे पेड मी फॉर द लाइफ कोचिंग स्किल्स दे पेड मी फॉर द साइकोलॉजी स्किल्स राइट उस टाइम तक मैं मास्टर्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजी कर चुका था राइट रिलेशनशिप स्किल्स एनीवे दैट इज वी हैव अ डिटेल ट्रेनिंग ऑन हाउ टू प्राइस योर सर्विसेज वो चेकआउट करो दैट्स अ गेम चेंजर उधर इन डेप्थ आपको प्राइसिंग समझ आएगी बाय द वे जो भी मैंने आज टॉपिक्स डिस्कस किए हर चीज पे डिटेल ट्रेनिंग ऑलरेडी है राइट सो दैट इज व्हाट सो वेन एवर यू टीच यू लर्न ट्वाइस right and if you are like me you like flexing your knowledge flexing your results that's good because flexing knowledge and results gets more business अब लोग क्या करते हैं सोचते हैं कि यार कैसे मैं एक्टिंग करूं इस चीज की कि यार आ, लोगों को लगे कि मेरे पास नॉलेज है रिजल्ट्स और आई एम सीइंग सक्सेसेस इन माय लाइफ यू कांट डू दैट यू कांट फेक दैट इंडियन पीपल और इंडियन कस्टमर्स आर वेरी स्मार्ट आई डोंट नो अबाउट फॉरेन कस्टमर्स मैंने इतना डील नहीं किया बट इंडियन पीपल आर वेरी स्मार्ट राइट यू गाइस आर स्मार्ट अगर मैं यहाँ कुछ कुछ भी झूठ बोलूंगा यू विल गेट टू नो इन अ सेकंड यार कि है वो बकवास राइट a lot of you guys what you would do is you'll when you listen to stuff like this you will check right if you are just seeing maybe I'll give you one example from here if you are just seeing this for the first time you haven't followed us at trained by IBS you would go and check ki bhai ye is was he actually learning from top coaches in the world अगर लर्न करने गया तो ऑब्वियसली ही वुड हैव पोस्टेड सम फोटो यू विल चेक इट लॉट ऑफ पीपल वुड बी लाइक जब मैंने केस स्टडीज वाली बात करी कि भाई केस स्टडीज दिखाओ इतनी कहां पे राइट एंड आई हैव 30+ केस स्टडीज पेंडिंग 30+ और उनमें से 17 तो नॉट 17 15 तो बेसिकली एफबी मास्टरमाइंड की हैं अब अब पोस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा बिजी हूँ क्योंकि वेन एवर आई पोस्ट केस स्टडी आई राइट एवरीथिंग ऑन माई ओन फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसे ना तो इसलिए थोड़ा लेजी हो गया, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर जस्ट पोस्टिंग लाइक 1 to 2 पर मंथ, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन वो कभी कोई स्लो वीक आया, इतने क्लाइंट्स नहीं आए तो एक पोस्ट कर दी, सो वी आर कीपिंग देम फॉर फ्यूचर। एनीवे बैक टू दिस, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट इज मैसेजिंग। आज आज मैंने देखे अच्छे से अच्छे कोचेज हैं जिनको मैसेजिंग नहीं आती सोशल मीडिया पे। मैसेजिंग डजंट मीन डीएमिंग पीपल ऑन सोशल मीडिया, मैसेजिंग मीन्स व्हाट डू यू स्टैंड फॉर, व्हाट डू यू स्टैंड अगेंस्ट, राइट? सो पहली बात मैसेजिंग क्या होता है कि हु आर यू टॉकिंग टू, यू वुड नो दैट यू नो इफ आई क्रिएट कंटेंट आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू यू गाइस, एंड यू स्पेसिफिकली एवरी वीडियो यू वॉच, मोस्ट वीडियोज यू वॉच, इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी अ कोच, यू वुड बी लाइक भाई ये तो मेरे लिए बनाया है, right? So that is called messaging, right? What do you stand for? What do you stand against? What is your method? What is your coaching method? How do you coach? What is your philosophy? What is the insight you have from the market and everything else, right? इस चीज को improve करने के लिए one of the biggest things is repetition, and it leads to mastery, and mastery leads to razor sharp messaging on social media. ये over time आती है. This can't be essentially taught. We do teach our clients, but this improves over time once you realize your personality, your niche. That's why the first thing which we do at FBS, sort out niche clarity, ICA clarity. Then we create for that one person so that we are seen as a specialist, right? 97% or more coaches and fitness companies in our country have random messaging. This also includes companies which are much bigger. Yes, I'm not bigger than them, but you know, मेरी observation ये है कि मैंने बहुत बड़ी बड़ी fitness companies को देखा है. I mean, big, huge numbers. If you think my numbers are huge, their numbers are 10 times bigger. But they don't, they have random messaging on social media. And that would eventually lead to them not being profitable long term, right? Because अगर आपकी messaging है, if your messaging on social media is random, you are playing a spending war. Spending war क्या होता है? The company who spends the most wins, right? The company who's spending the most on ads wins, right? So how do you sort that out? By fixing your messaging and being clear, specifically clear. Because you know, understand, guys, marketing is not about qualification; it's about disqualification. ये चीज मैंने, this might be the biggest learning I have had in the last, in this year, in the last 7 years actually, when it comes to marketing. Marketing पे भी detailed training है, check that out, right? On social media, which leads to low quality or no leads, right? Leads पे leads, अगर आपकी problem है, guys, we have a detailed training on that, right? इसका नाम है, I think, generate unlimited leads on social media, something like that. Also, जब आप कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हो, आपको ये फीडबैक रियली क्विकली आता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक्स, एंगेजमेंट एंड लीड्स, राइट? बट इफ यू डोंट क्रिएट कंटेंट एंड यू आर जस्ट क्रिएटिंग एड्स, मतलब आपको मैसेजिंग नहीं आती और आप सीधा एड्स क्रिएट कर रहे हो, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? मनी गेट्स वेस्टेड, बिकॉज कंटेंट जब आप पोस्ट कर रहे हो आपकी जेब से कोई पैसा नहीं लग रहा एज सच, राइट? और so when you are posting content, you can fail faster and improvise day by day. But if you are just posting ads with shit messaging, what happens? Money gets wasted. Money gets wasted, you get demotivated and you end up thinking कि ओ यार मेरे बस की कुछ नहीं है. आपके बस की बहुत कुछ है, आपको मैसेजिंग नहीं आती है, तो you need to learn messaging, right? Exactly, in depth. And that's one of the main things which we do when we teach marketing to our clients. Next is brand and connection. Your brand is defined by what you stand for, what you stand against, your values, and who you are. Eventually, जब आप brand build करोगे long term, lot of times coaches ask me कि यार competition exist करता है. My reply is that if competition existed, मैं आपको ये चीजें सिखा रहा होता, मैं FBA start करता, क्योंकि my parent company, my main company is still trained by YVS. We're still running it, still growing it, scaling it, right? If competition existed, why would I have shared exactly what I'm doing at trained by YVS? What I have exactly did in the last 7 years? What is working? What is not working? Would I share it with you? That's the thing which I say, and you know that makes their head clear, because eventually, when you build a brand, you have no competition because your brand is based off who you are, your values. I mean, you can copy anything. You can copy anything, कुछ भी कर लो copy, but you can't copy who I am, my principles, my shortcomings, my strengths, my weaknesses, my experiences, right? Because of which you create something called the of one niche of one, and you also become number one if you build your brand in your direction, right? It's a very hard thing to wrap around for beginners, but this is the way to go. Also, people invest in people, not in services. Keep in mind, someone's health and transformation is a personal thing. Your clients end up, literally, your clients end up trusting you so much that they'll be sharing everything about their journey, their health, their past, their future with you, right? So it's not just about how you coach, that does matter, but it's more about who you are. So that's why you build your brand, right? Also, this also forced me to level up in life because I realized that embodying things is better than faking it, right? Example देता हूँ. We get a lot of clients because I meditate every day. I talk about meditation. बट अब मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन थे 3 साल पहले कि या तो मैं मेडिटेशन करके एक्चुअल में वॉक करूं, टॉक वॉकिंग द टॉक, या मैं एक्टिंग करूं. क्योंकि आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ कोचेस एक्ट लाइक दैट, राइट? बिकॉज इफ दे सी आई एम पोस्टिंग कंटेंट अबाउट माय मॉर्निंग रूटीन, प्री स्लीप रूटीन, और इवन meditation and stuff like that, they think that that is something which is getting me clients. No, it's embodying that, because if you embody something and if you teach that to your clients follow it. Else they don't follow it. सीधा हिसाब है, कभी आपने अपने क्लाइंट को कोई ऐसी चीज कराई है जो आप खुद नहीं करते? पास्ट में देखो अपने, जो आप चीज खुद नहीं करते वो आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को करा ही नहीं सकते. दे वोंट फॉलो व्हाट यू से. दे वुड से आई विल फॉलो, बट दे वोंट. और आपको कभी नहीं समझ आएगा. क्यों? बिकॉज वेन यू आर फेकिंग इट, यू लैक समथिंग कॉल्ड कन्विक्शन. अब आपको कन्विक्शन नहीं, इफ यू डोंट बिलीव इन व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, दैट कैन बी सीन सबकॉन्शियसली. अब कन्विक्शन नहीं है तो पीपल वोंट फॉलो यू, right? That's why copy pasting doesn't work. So whatever you are acting about, एक और रीजन है लॉट ऑफ पीपल गेट बर्नड आउट ऑफ कंटेंट इज बिकॉज वो पूरे दिन, बहुत सारे कोचेस कहते हैं यार मैं स्टोरी में क्या पोस्ट करूं. आई लाइक डू पोस्ट वॉट एवर यूर डूइंग इन योर लाइफ. सो व्हाट दे डू इज दे स्टार्ट एक्टिंग. स्टोरी पे स्टार्ट कर देते हैं एक्टिंग. एक्टिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं, उससे क्या होता है, थोड़े दिन तो करते हैं, उसके बाद दे स्टॉप एंड दे देमसेल्व्स डोंट नो व्हाई. फिर देन दे आर लाइक यार समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या करें. कुछ नहीं है, जस्ट पोस्ट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एंड स्टॉप एक्टिंग, स्टार्ट एम्बॉडिंग. यस, इम्प्रूव करो, बट एम्बॉडिंग इज 100 टाइम्स बेटर देन फेकिंग इट. बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं मेडिटेशन एम्बॉडी ना करता, फेक करता और काम चल भी जाता, दैट वुड हैव बीन फाइन. बट मेरे को जो मेडिटेशन से बेनिफिट मिलता है वो तो नहीं मिलता. इट हैज चेंज माई लाइफ, राइट? Also on social media, people think that acting like someone else makes you win, and that is why they get burnt out because they are not being themselves, which leads to them wanting to fake it and hence getting burnt out. So be yourself. जितने जेन्युइन होगे उतने ज्यादा लोग आपसे कनेक्ट करेंगे. एंड ये नहीं है कि आप जेन्युइनिटी के नाम पे आप लोगों को हर्ट करने लग जाओ एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, बट जस्ट फोकस ऑन बीइंग जेन्युइन, ऑथेंटिक. Share your failures, share your journey, and that would also help a lot. Next is amplification of ads. Last year, I started running ads around June, July, and I realized that whatever ads I created worked for me. Everything. Even if it was not the best messaging, not the best script and stuff like that. Why? बिकॉज बैक एंड पे क्या था, बंदा एड देख के किसी को नहीं ट्रस्ट करता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप मेरी कोई एड देखो, यू डोंट नो मी एट ऑल, वुड यू ट्रस्ट मी? You might not, but you would open my profile first. You'll see and scroll through the profile. Then you'll be like, okay, this person is trustworthy. A lot of you guys know me since months and years, but you haven't taken my service. Why? Because you don't trust me yet. So now, if you're watching this, you are trusting me, right? So keep that in mind. Understand this principle, and humans don't trust each other easily because we have a built-in bullshit detector. So that someone thinking that someone would automatically start trusting us and automatically become a high-paying client after seeing an ad or a 30-minute or even a 90-minute presentation video workshop is stupidity, right? अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आप कोई मैजिकल स्क्रिप्ट लेके 30 मिनट वीडियो बना लोगे, एक वीडियो सेल्स लेटर बना दोगे, वो चल जाएगा उससे काम, नहीं. क्वेश्चन इज, आप कॉमन सेंस लगाओ. डू यू ट्रस्ट पीपल जस्ट ऑन बेसिस ऑफ एड्स? द आंसर वुड बी प्रॉब्ली नो. बट आप थोड़ा सा ट्रस्ट करते हो तो क्या करते हो, आप उनका बाकी कंटेंट कंज्यूम करते हो. That's why a lot of you guys watching it would be are watching it कि यार okay I want to take service from this person but I want to make sure the time is right. I trust him completely. Right? That is what is happening right now. Else he would have been my client. A lot of my clients also watch this because they're like, wow, what great content. Right? So you cannot fake content for long enough. ये भी याद रखो. Short term कर भी लो, but later on you'll get burned out. Mental health खराब होने लग जाएगी because you have been acting like someone else. So content and value can amplify your ads because as soon as someone sees your ad, they would first open your profile, check out the value you provide and the results you get. Right? It makes them trust you more easily. Right? So basically, a good brand and content amplifies effectiveness of ads. Bad messaging plus ads is equal to money wasted. Right? Also for me, creating ads is effortless. मतलब 20 ads बना लेता हूँ मैं. 15-20 एड्स बना लेता हूँ 2-3 आवर्स में. राइट. डे वन पे जस्ट राइट, डे टू पे रिकॉर्ड, दैट्स ऑल. और मुझे राइटिंग से ज्यादा रिकॉर्डिंग वाला पार्ट बोरिंग लगता है. एंड आज तक कभी ऐसी नहीं हुई है कि मैंने कोई एड लिखी और उसका रिस्पॉन्स ना आया. सो सी हाउ मच पावर दिस हैज. नाउ इफ समवन कॉपीज माई एड, मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं लगती भाई. मुझे पता है यार, कल उठ के नहीं लिख दूंगा, क्या हो गया. बिकॉज आई हैव गेन्ड द स्किल. स्किल कहाँ से आई? कॉन्टेंट से. ये अंडरस्टैंड करो. बड़ी डायरेक्ट और बड़ी छोटी चीज है, आपको भी समझ आए ना आए, but this is a big deal, big thing, right? And like 90% of the ads work well when it comes to cost per mil, click through rate, and again, it just takes 2 hours. That's why I'm able to run like three businesses right now while having my peace of mind. I'll start my fourth one soon. एक बार ये थोड़े सेटल हो जाए, once I reach this goal 1 CR वाला, because वरना थोड़ा ज्यादा ऑपरेशनल ड्रैग हो जाएगा. 1 CR वाला गोल जिस दिन मैं पहुंच गया, I'll start another business and get that to a good number. Good number इतनी speed नहीं कह सकते because I only whenever I'm setting my goals I just look forward by 200 meter. ये नहीं है कि मैं अभी 60-70 लाख रेवेन्यू पे हूँ, 70-75 पे हूँ तो मैं सीधा 2 CR सोच रहा हूँ. नहीं, I just think about the next goal because my brain somehow cannot perceive past that, which is fine, I guess, at least for me. Last but not the least, skills transfer. So getting in front of camera, writing, speaking, confident, showing up on bad days, sharing your perspective without offending others, choosing the right words, getting out of comfort zone and consistency, constantly reinventing yourself with changing time and algorithm, all together are a great way to build skill and character. अब स्किल एंड कैरेक्टर आप बिल्ड कर रहे हो, उससे क्या होगा? डिसिप्लिन बिल्ड होगा. डिसिप्लिन बिल्ड होगा तो यू बिकम इनविंसिबल. राइट. यस, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फॉर श्योर. मुझे पता है, सबसे ज्यादा बिगेस्ट इंट्रोवर्ट ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. राइट. दिस इज वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग, बट these can have very high ROI because 99% are not ready to take the pain. Guys, winning in today's world is very easy. 99% of people are not ready to take the pain, right? Higher the pain, lesser people would do it, lower the competition. राइट. आज जो मैंने आपको सारे वेरिएबल समझाए हैं, आप रियलाइज करोगे कि इफ यू डायल इन ऑल द वेरिएबल्स यू बिकम अनस्टॉपेबल. राइट. ये अंडरस्टैंड करो कि ये वेरिएबल्स बहुत सारे हैं. मैसेजिंग इज वन वेरिएबल, 7-8 वेरिएबल है. विनिंग इज वेरी इजी इफ यू डू इट द राइट वे. राइट. If it was easy, everyone would do it. These skills get transformed to literally everything in life, right? All these skills would improve all areas of your life, not just your business. The magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. ये याद रखो, इसका टैटू बनवा लो. राइट. आई मीन मेरे आर्म्स में फेस नहीं बचे, बट यू नो, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट गेटिंग आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन would change the game. Also, guys, now I'll be sharing some notes. These were the caption of the original post, but yeah, 2000 पोस्ट डाउन, मैंने 2000 पोस्ट बनाया. कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्टिल गिव्स मी एंजाइटी. कई कबार हो जाती है अभी भी. राइट. इस साल होनी बंद हो गई है, बट यू नो लास्ट ईयर तक दिस वाज हैपनिंग. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज एल्गोरिदम इज नॉट अगेंस्ट यू. एल्गोरिदम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. If it benefits the platform, it will push it. Right. What benefits any platform? People staying on it. So people only stay on it, on any platform, if they stay engaged, if they get value and get new insight and perspective. If all of this is happening, people would want to stay on the platform. प्लेटफॉर्म पे स्टे करने का क्या फायदा? जितने ज्यादा लोग प्लेटफॉर्म पे होंगे उतनी ज्यादा उनको एड्स देखेगी एंड उतनी ज्यादा उतनी ज्यादा रेवेन्यू होगा, राइट? सो लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, आप इफ यू कैन गेट पीपल एंगेज्ड, give value, give insight and perspective, you build a brand, and you get more, eventually get more likes and views also. All platforms are similar when it comes to getting clients. So choose the one from from where most of your prospective clients are, right? जहां पे भी आपके मैक्सिमम prospective clients हैं, उस प्लेटफॉर्म को चूज करो. चूज द वन विच फील्स मोस्ट नेचुरल टू यू. मुझे सबसे ज्यादा नेचुरल इंस्टाग्राम फील होता है, सेकंड पे अब यूट्यूब होता है, थर्ड ईमेल, राइट? मुझे लिंक्डइन नहीं समझ आता, सो आई क्रिएट फॉर इंस्टाग्राम एंड पब्लिश ऑन लिंक्डइन. तो मुझे लिंक्डइन से कुछ हो ना हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज माई टीम इज डूइंग दैट फॉर मी, राइट? सो प्लेटफॉर्म सारे सेम प्रिंसिपल्स पे वर्क करते, सारे सेम 7 प्रिंसिपल्स सिस्टम्स पे वर्क करते हैं. आपके फिटनेस बिजनेस में 7 सिस्टम्स है जिस पे वर्क करते हैं, उस पे एक डिटेल ट्रेनिंग है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे. डू चेक दैट आउट आफ्टर दिस, राइट? सिंस द लास्ट 5 मंथ्स, जब ये क्रिएट किया तब 5 मंथ्स थे, अब 9 मंथ्स हो गए होंगे. 9 मंथ्स वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग एड्स टू ग्रो एंड स्केल. बट इससे पहले ऑर्गेनिक था, मतलब आई थिंक लास्ट मई तक, मई जून तक ऑर्गेनिक था सारा, राइट? नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज दैट हुक्स मैटर अ लॉट. सिंपल प्रिंसिपल है भाई, कॉमन सेंस है. आई रेड दिस बुक विच इज कॉल्ड साइंटिफिक एडवर्टाइजिंग. उधर वैसे द आंसर इज कॉमन सेंस, कि अगर इफ समवन डज नॉट लाइक द हेडलाइन, why would someone read the rest of the stuff, right? Same applies for your content. अगर hook first 3 to 6 seconds में लोगों को value नहीं दिखती है, they would just swipe. We live in a world where there is a attention deficit, right? And I personally have ADHD, so right, I can understand, right? So अगर first 3 seconds में लोगों को नहीं पसंद आता, they just swipe away, be it your ad, be it anything else, right? ये चीज आप याद कर लो भाई. सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. बेस्ट कंटेंट पीसेस दैट गेट मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ बिजनेस एंड गुड लीड्स, हाईएस्ट पेइंग क्लाइंट्स डू नॉट गेट वेरी हाई रीच एंगेजमेंट, never get very high reach or engagement, simply because hard hitting pieces are often very targeted. So they are only just served to relevant people, not masses. If you are a content creator and you are like, okay, likes and views बहुत आ रहे हैं और बिजनेस नहीं आ रहा है, स्टॉप वरिंग अबाउट लाइक्स एंड व्यूज. क्रिएट टारगेटेड कंटेंट, बिकॉज टारगेटेड कंटेंट वुड टच हार्ट्स ऑफ few people, but those few people would become your clients, right? Being a master at something is being much better than being a master at none. So, whenever I'm creating, I'm never creating for likes and views. I'm only creating for clients eventually, right? For the most part, not always. A lot of times, trained by IVS पे content आप देखोगे तो it's not just always targeted to content. I like, giving values on sharing values on other areas of life also जहाँ मेरा business linked नहीं है. For example, relationships, personal life, morning routine, sleep routines, and stuff like that, right? Next thing which you need to change the narrative. That is, if you keep on saying you hate content, you would never improve. That's something which I learned in July, August last year, and it was a game changer, right? Content creation and value creation are the highest ROI activities in any business. Uh, yes, I'm saying that when my ads gets 8 to 10x returns on average, whenever, for the most part, our ads get 8 to 10x ROAS, return on ad spend, on an average. For the most part, unless कुछ मैं goof up कर दूं, मैंने जनवरी में कुछ goof up कर दिया थोड़ा सा, but that is what. So 8 to 10x अगर average return आ रही है, still I'm saying that कि भाई content बहुत important है, value creation बहुत important है. Still, you see my businesses are at whatever level they are right now. Still, I am creating a video for you right now. I just spent 1 hour on this. What is the point? Because I understand value creation is the biggest winner and highest ROI activity you can do. Right? Keep in mind, content is just a piece of the puzzle. अब ये भी याद रखो कि सिर्फ कंटेंट बना लिया उससे काम खत्म नहीं होता. You need to take care of all 7 systems of your fitness business, and that is what. But it's a very important piece, one of the most important pieces when it comes to your brand and distribution. Also, with content, make mistakes, share a life, and humanize. In the last slide, I literally told you that I goofed up with ads. Someone who's like who is teaching 300 plus people, who has clients who are doing crores in crores right now. I also made a mistake in January. Right? In FB, our high level mastermind where we help people, our coaches get to up to 2 crore rupees revenue. Literally, उधर मैं we every third day I share, okay, this is where I goofed up, this is the mistake I made, so that you don't make it, right? Share your mistakes, share your life, humanize karo. People do not invest in services, people invest in people, especially when it comes to fitness, health, and even business. A lot of you would be like, यार मैं business कहीं से भी सीख लूंगा, but I like this person's principles, right? And that is what. Next is, it's okay to suck. When we start anything, start with anything, कुछ भी start कर रहे हो अपनी life में नहीं, you have to suck for a while, right? Next is, do not chase likes and views, chase value provision instead. And obviously, over time, your value provision skills improve, right? If if for getting likes and views, ऐसा कोई बुरा नहीं है, बुरी चीज नहीं है. But if you are getting likes and views, but at cost of your peace of mind or diluting the value you can provide to the world, then it is an issue, right? Value provision पे focus करो. Also, I have gotten maximum revenue from worst performing posts because they were very targeted. And this is something which is coming from experience of creating 2000 plus posts. याद रखो ये चीज. Also, ads are also a form of content. So if you have created hundreds of content pieces, creating ads would be effortless. Again, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, I'm able to ideate, write and shoot over 20 to 30 ads, which are a lot. 30 ads मतलब basically, if you are at a very high scale also, these can, assuming all of them are good, these can be used for months, right? In less than 4 hours, with breaks included. And that is what. So, अगर ads भी आपका long term goal है, you believe in ads, that's good, but do both, hybrid method, right? And why is that the case? मेरी ads fail क्यों नहीं होती? Because I have performed so many reps of creating content, right? अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है मेरी ads कभी fail नहीं होती, बीच में हुआ, बीच में ads work अच्छा कर रही थी, but उसमें consumer intent का issue था. थोड़ी messaging ads की थोड़ी सी different थी as compared to what it should have been. Anyway, fix that. Okay, so सबसे important चीज, अगर मैं same post last year देखता, that is June 2023, 23, मुझे बहुत बोरिंग लगता है, राइट? आई वुड हैव फाउंड इट बोरिंग. तो अगर आपको कुछ भी बोरिंग लगा, इट्स फाइन, बट याद रखो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, राइट? स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रख लो, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड कर लो इसको, राइट? एंड बट अगेन, इफ एट this stage of my business I am saying that this was the biggest business lesson for this year. This is like 2023. I created the post in 2023. तो अभी 2024 का मैंने बिगेस्ट लेसन अभी तक सीखा नहीं है, जिसको मैं कह सकूं कि यार लेसन ऑफ द ईयर है. बट लास्ट ईयर का लेसन ऑफ द ईयर वाज दिस. And this was after reaching 1 million annual revenue, 1 million, and this is in dollars, guys, by the way. Dollars में था. तो last year, I think March or April, I reached this revenue number. For the most year, we were around that number only, apart from 1 month, which was bigger. Again, 1 million revenue कहता हूँ तो it's like at 80% to 120% of that. So average 100% basically इस पे आ जाती है. And that is what. Right? If I'm telling you this was my biggest lesson last year, this is a big deal. याद रखो इसको. Right? And I was able to stay there with ease. I was able to hit my biggest month while marrying. मतलब मैं शादी के लिए अबू धाबी गया हुआ था. Chill कर रहा हूँ पूरे पूरे month for the most part. And I was able to clock my biggest month in January 2024. How was that? I created a detailed training on that. No, it's not a training. It was more about my business journey starting till January 2024. Do check it out. उस पे भी YouTube video है, and that is what. So long story short, play the long term game and build a brand. Also, if you need our help in growing and scaling your fitness business, just DM us the word scale on Instagram or fill the short form below. Short form होगा नीचे, इतनी मैं आपको value provide करता हूँ, so I feel entitled कि यार I can at least promote my services, and I like being very clear on that. That whenever I'm creating content, my goal is to nurture you guys to take the right step towards growing your business, because I am sure we can impact your business a lot more than you can do it yourself. It's as simple as that. And check out the case studies on our Instagram. Instagram ID is this. Check out the case studies, detailed case studies, and everything else. नीचे एक form होगा if you are interested. Let's see if you are a good fit. If you are a good fit, we'll get on a quick call with you and understand your case. If we can help you, we'll let you know. If we can't help you, then also we'll let you know. We don't do pressurizing stuff and stuff like that. I don't believe in that because I know that whenever you are ready, you would join us. So we don't pressurize anyone or stuff like that. So if you are not completely sure, then also you can fill the short form and let's see if you are a good fit, right? And that is what. If you are not ready yet, check out other YouTube detailed trainings. मैंने काफी trainings के बारे में आपको during the content भी बताया. Do check them out. Check out trainings on lead gen, social media mistakes. मेरी journey के बारे में करना है तो 72 lakhs. I think 72 lakhs something a title of the video. Uh, we have trainings on building a brand and everything about building your online fitness business step by step and scaling it to the next level. And that is what. Thank you for tuning in. And if you are watching till here, dude, you are killing it. 55 minutes in. And that is what. And thank you for tuning in. And see you soon. And bye. Bye, BS checking out.